This is the vibration knife cutting machine. Now we firstly cut the pneumatic knife cutter. Now we try to see this vibration knife head to cut. This is the EVA. Now it's finished. It cut very perfectly. Then we are going to see the vibration beveling head to cut. We see this vibration beveling knife head to cut. Engineer is downloading the design file into the panel. After click here, choose the knife head, then we download it. And to the panel, we're going to set the position of the cutting point. And then we choose the sealed position. Engineer find a perfect position and press the bolt to track in the frame. Then we confirm to start. Let's start. It's going to cut. Okay, finished. It's easily to cut it. This is a beveling cut. Vibration beveling cut. It can cut very soft material. This is a motor vibration beveling head.